Hey guys, welcome to another random reviews video, and today I'm finally back to bring you guys another video. I know it's been a while, but today I have a Pantograph. This thing's pretty old, as you can tell by this old raggedy box that it's in. You know, it's really old. I got it at an estate sale, so yeah. And again, it's a Pantograph, and drafters would use this for their drawings. They would use it to reproduce a drawing, to make it bigger or smaller, I guess, to enlarge or reduce drawings. And if you want to, you can pause it here and read some of the information on this little sheet here, on the instructions. But it's made by, I'm not even going to attempt to say that, but that's who it's made by. And as you can see, Drafting and Surveying Supplies. So yeah, that's the instructions. And this little piece of paper right here, this thing is really old, but this shows exactly when it was bought, I think. It was actually a company in New Orleans, and I guess that's the Ingalls Shipbuilding. Ingalls Shipbuilding is the company that must have owned it. That's pretty cool. But yeah, that's really old. And I'm gonna get this thing out so you guys can get a better look at it. I'll set this aside. And here she is. And you can see all the different measurements. And I guess these little spikes, I guess you'd call them, or whatever, these little things coming out, I guess that's where you would put your drawing. You'd set your sheet of paper, and you'd have this setting on it, and I guess you would spread this out and draw you up another drawing, I guess. I'm honestly not even sure how it works, but yeah. And that's basically it for this review. That was pretty short, but it's really all there is to see, guys. I mean, I could show you. There was another one in the box, but this one I think is homemade. Let me get this one out of the way. I mean, by the looks of it, it looks homemade. Yeah, see that date right there, October 1931, should tell you how old this thing is. But yeah, I'm not even too sure how to put this together, but just thought this was a pretty cool little thing to show you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.